Welcome to my channel, and I have a new segment in my channel called Dutch Eat. Here, I'm going to teach you, or not teach you, I'm going to cook Dutch food, only Dutch food. And today, I'm going to make a traditional Dutch food called Hutspot. It's very simple recipe. The ingredients are minimal, and well, knowing me, I always like to experiment. So some of the ingredients I change it, but don't worry, it's very small. And yeah, very simple. I hope you will like it, and I hope you will enjoy it, and I hope you will make it. Here are the ingredients of my Hutspot: carrots, potatoes, milk, butter for cooking, nut muscat, salt and pepper, onions, ground beef. The traditional way of making the hotspot is they use bacon bits. But for me, I will use the ground beef. You can also use ground pork. Let's begin our cooking. You mix your potatoes and your carrots in a pan. Put a little salt, a little pepper, and a little water. Let it boil until the potatoes and the carrots are soft. While we are waiting for our carrots and potatoes, in another pan, we will saute our onions and cook our ground beef with onions. So we put a little butter. Yes. Let the butter melt. So mag-melt ng butter ta, we put our onions. Saute until mag-transparent siya. After sauteing the onions, we put our ground beef. You put salt, pepper, and nut muscat, and then you wait until your ground beef is brown. If it's brown, then it's done. Our ground beef is done. We put it aside, and then we wait until our potatoes and the carrots are soft. This time, our potatoes and carrots are done. We put a little milk. If I can open this, yes. Put a little milk, yeah. A little butter. Yes. And then your ground beef, you put it in your potatoes and carrots. So I put half of my ground beef in my potatoes and carrots, and then I will smash them using this, or whatever you call this. Okay? So I will push them. Push this. Yes. Okay. Until everything is smashed. Start making some mashed potatoes. I put the rest of the ground beef, and then I will mix everything. And then that's your hotspot. Ladies and gentlemen, my own version of a hotspot. Share, like, and subscribe. Toodaloo.